It's October here on the Triple T Ranch, close to Halloween.
Happy Halloween from the Triple T Ranch and Sawmill.
And we're picking our buckeyes. I decided to not mow this year and see what would happen. And I'm so glad I didn't mow it.
It's got a little bit of rot in them.
Yeah, that one does. This one looks good.
Yeah, we should have picked it earlier. Okay,
But there's another one. Let's see what this looks like. I don't know if I can peel it or not.
I see a crack.
Oh,
God, it's so beautiful.
naked.
Naked buckeyes?
Cute. Man, it looks just like skin.
So that one wasn't quite right.
That's right. So give me the other ones. This is the one that's overripe.
Yeah.
And this one we should have waited. But
Yeah, we got a basket we can put them in, though.
yeah, they're just cool to look at.
Trick or treat.
Came from the land.
This is our yield from last year. Look how they're shrunk up. Let's put in this year's. We didn't ever take this one out of the shell. And there's our produce, our buckeyes.
Let's see if we can fill that basket up.
Yeah, we'll see next year what we got. We're gonna mark the plants a little better.